My quit date was 2 days ago, so I've already not been smoking for 2 days. This is where it starts to get difficult. I spoke to the quit team, a guy called Brendan. It was incredibly thorough, almost psychological evaluation about why you smoke and all aspects of smoking. Consultation was about half an hour. One of the things we talked about was NRTs, which are nicotine replacement therapies. I'm using the gum. What it does is it kind of replaces your craving, and it also satisfies your need for ritual. So the combination of the nicotine gum and myself and my own inner strength, I shall succeed. I said he'd do it. When did I say he'd do it? Just after I said he wouldn't do it. So why don't you join me in giving up cigarettes, and you can set your quit date on quit.ie. That's Gary Cooke. You've been watching my video. See you next week.